If there is something exciting that you want to share with your viewers to capture their attention, something that is latest or something that you want to feature, then you can go ahead and utilize the feature list block. So to do that, over here you can go ahead and click on add new section, and then over here you can see that feature list block is an option right here. You can go ahead and click on it, and then you can see that what we offer is here. So this is a feature on what this particular site has. So since I generated my website with AI, you can see that it actually generated placeholder contents for me as well. So let's just go around over here and add in more feature section right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, there's what we offer right here and what we offer right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So basically there is not much text, but a place for images over here in this section that you can go ahead and edit and replace, and small text related to those images that you can go ahead and give information on to feature out something that is important in your website to capture users' attention. One of it actually comes with a button as well, which you can go ahead and link with other pages as well. And that is basically how feature list block works inside of the Strikingly page. You can go ahead and change the layout to list and so forth, as you can see right here. And depending on the content, you can see that this is what you have. You can change to top, bottom, and change around the content as you like. You can even go ahead right here just like this, and then use the drag and drop features right here in the layout to change it out as per how you want. So that is how the feature list block works inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.